How often do you deploy to production? This is an important question, as the best application is useless if you can't deploy it. And being able to deploy regularly and automated is quite important. ECS Service Scheduler is responsible for performing a rolling update of newer versions. The current version of running tasks is replaced by newer versions. The deployment configuration parameter defines how many tasks should run during the deployment. Minimum healthy percent parameter indicates the percentage of tasks that must remain in running status, and maximum healthy percent parameter represents an upper limit on the number of your service's tasks that are allowed in the running or pending state during a deployment. Both values define a percentage of the current desired count. This configuration is easy and straightforward, and let us see a demo.